Hey everybody, David with Philippine American Couple. Guess what? Back in the kitchen today. Hey, first and foremost, like our videos, share our videos, ring that alert bell so you know that when we got new and upcoming videos coming out. Hey, today I'm hanging out in the kitchen and I want to make my personal favorite pancake recipe. Now I've never seen anybody else to do this way. I've been doing it for a long time. But here's basically what I'm gonna do. I got all my ingredients. So what we're gonna do firstly is use pork sausage or turkey sausage. This is a local brand here in Arkansas or maybe the United States, but you can use whatever brand. This is a sweet sausage. If you wanted to go more spicy, you could change this recipe up and do more of a spicy thing. But this is kind of a breakfast thing, so we're going to do a sweet pancake. Now, I have just ordinary regular old pancake mix. It doesn't matter what brand I find. Cheap is great because we're going to be modifying this a little bit to make it work the way we want. I got some generic ordinary old pancake syrup with butter flavor in it. So we're going with the sweet theme here. And of course, you gotta have water to go with your pancake mix. And then I got some oil that I'm gonna use in cooking the pancake. So those are my basic ingredients. There's a secret to it. And so let's get started on our pancake batter. Now look, I'm gonna tell you what the box says. The box says if you can make 5 to 7 pancakes with the mix plus 1 cup of water. Well, if you've watched any of my videos, I don't really care about the recipe so much because I'm going to modify it. So what I want to do is I'm just going to dump some pancake mix in a bowl. I'm going to take some of my water. See here, I'm just going to mix it up really well. It is important that you want to get it nice and smooth. And I'll show you the consistency that I like here in a second. I don't want the pancake batter to be really thick. I want it to be a little thin. And I do want to try to get all the nice lumps out of it by whisking it. Okay, and so, that's pretty good. See how it kind of rolls around easy? Because these, I'm gonna make these as nice thin pancakes, not big old hunkin' ones, but nice thin ones. So here's one of my secrets that I do. I like to put the syrup in the batter. Throw a little syrup in here, or a lot, whichever you like. This is butter flavored syrup artificially. It's probably very high in calories and bad for you, but that's what I have. And then you're just gonna whisk this around. Let it sit up. All right, everybody. So I've got my ground meat my ground sausage all done here. Cooked it in the skillet, removed it, wiped my skillet. And I've been heating my skillet because I always like to have my skillets nice and hot. And then we want to pour some oil. This is kind of the magical part you'll see, or what I think makes a wonderful pancake. So now we got our pancake mix, right? We got some sausage. And what I do is I put sausage right in the mix of my pancake. Just like that. We're going to roll the oil around. And then we're going to dump all of this in there. And the secret is you want your pancake to fry. It's like a fried bread versus a traditional pancake. But we're going to let this cook up nice and crisp and brown, and then we'll flip it, and I'm telling you guys, it's one of the most delicious pancakes you'll ever have. This is very similar to what they sell at McDonald's called a McGriddle, which is basically 2 pancakes, small pancakes with a piece of sausage in between them. This is kind of my version of that. Or you never know, maybe McDonald's stole it from me. I don't know. Work around the edges. There we go. It was a little big, so I cut it in half. All right, so I'm ready to eat my sausage pancake. I actually just love these things. What I really like about them is how the edges all fry up real thin and crisp. And if you add a little syrup to your mix, it gives you an extra sweetness to it, and you don't got to put a bunch on it. So, well, I always add a little dab of butter when I'm done. You can't beat a pancake that already has sausage in it. How easy is that? Remember, you can make these really large, really small. You can change up the meats, the seasonings. You can make a Spanish style. You can make all kinds of different flavors. I just like mine very traditional American breakfast style.